Hey there, welcome to this special episode where we dive into the heart of China's robotics revolution. It's an exciting journey, and I'm thrilled to be your guide as we explore the people, the technology, and the implications of this game-changing industry. Let's start with a man who's at the forefront of this revolution, Chen Liang, the founder of Guchi Robotics. Chen is a fascinating character, with a calm demeanor that belies his passion for automation. He's on a mission to liberate car factories from human labor, and his enthusiasm is infectious. When I visited Guchi's headquarters, I witnessed their cutting-edge technology in action. Their robots can install wheels, dashboards, and windows with precision and speed, and they're just getting started. Chen estimates that only 20% of the final assembly process has been automated so far, and is determined to change that. But why is China so focused on robotics? Well, it's not just about efficiency, it's about revolutionizing the world of work. China is investing heavily in robotics and AI, with a £100 billion fund dedicated to strategic technologies. And the results are impressive. I had the opportunity to visit multiple robotics companies across China, and the progress I witnessed was astonishing. From humanoid robots performing martial arts to robots dispensing medication in pharmacies, China is leading the way. One of the key players I met was Wang He, the founder of Galbot. Galbot is developing vision-language action models, which allow robots to operate in unfamiliar environments, just like humans. Their goal is to create robots that can perform mundane tasks reliably and safely. During my visit to Galbot, I saw their robots in action, and it was eye-opening. These robots are not just performing backflips, they're being trained to do precise tasks like driving screws. It's a fascinating blend of art and science, and it showcases the potential for robots to take on complex, human-like tasks. But what about the social implications? As robots become more advanced, what happens to the millions of workers employed in factories worldwide? Chen Liang acknowledges this concern, but he sees it as an inevitable progression. He believes that higher-skilled workers can be retrained to work with robots, but what about those with less specialized skills? China's rapid industrialization has already displaced many workers, and the robotics revolution could accelerate this trend. It raises important questions about the future of work and the need for retraining and reskilling programs. In conclusion, China's robotics revolution is an incredible feat of engineering and innovation. It showcases the potential for robots to transform industries and our daily lives. However, we must also consider the social impact and ensure that we are preparing for a future where humans and robots work together harmoniously. I hope this episode has given you a glimpse into the fascinating world of Chinese robotics. It's an exciting time, and I can't wait to see what the future holds. Until next time, keep exploring and questioning.